GeeInsight is the companion software for Get 3D Art 200. It is used for point cloud processing, editing, exporting, and mesh reconstruction. This video will guide you step by step to use software. Step 1. License activation. For online activation, log into your account. Select the license you want to activate, and click Activate to start using the software. For offline activation, copy or export the machine code. Log into the Get 3D website and go to Personal Center. Open license information, select GeeInsight. Choose the license and upload the machine code file. Then download the license file and import it on the target computer to activate the software. Step 2. Engine and project setup. Go to Engine Settings under the project directory. Set the Monitor directory. The Monitor directory is used for task submission, and in cluster mode, it should be set as a network path. After that, start the engine. Then create a new project and set the project name and path. Step 3. SLAM processing. Add scan stations by selecting the raw data folder exported from our 200. The software will automatically validate the data. After validation, select the stations to process and click Process. Set the output coordinate system. If RTK was used, choose GNSS as the constraint source. If control points are available, select GCP. Then choose the point cloud optimization options and confirm to start processing. Multiple stations can be added in the same project. Repeat the same steps, configure the settings, submit the tasks, and wait for processing. Step 4. Point cloud visualization. After processing is complete, use the shortcut buttons on the left to switch display modes, such as RGB, intensity, elevation, time, and file-based display. You can also use tools like measurement and section to analyze the point cloud. Step 5. Point cloud editing. Before exporting results, it is recommended to crop the point cloud to remove noise and edge points, keeping only the core area. The software provides multiple clipping tools. After editing, remember to save the results. Step 6. Mesh reconstruction. The software supports mesh reconstruction. After editing the point cloud, select the station and start mesh modeling. Once completed, you can preview the model in GeeInsight. Or right-click the data to view it in Get 3D Viewer. Step 7. Export results. Select the station and right-click to export data. Choose the required data type and format. Then export the results. This is the complete workflow of GeeInsight. For more features and detailed settings, please refer to the user manual or watch the follow-up tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.